Greetings, one and all, and welcome to the Open Handed Classroom. I want to extend a special thank you to you, yes, you, for stopping by. Now, notice before us, we have a math question, and I got this question from the 2018 Paper 2 Mathematics BJC examination. And note that this question is currently unsolved, but I assure you that by the end of this video, this question would be completed. Now, I have a question for you. And the question is, are you ready? Are you ready? Then let's dive in. We begin by reading the question, and the question states the following. Tiffany had 150 minutes of recording time on a CD. She used 65 minutes for her school project. A. How many minutes of recording time does she have left on the CD? And B. Express your answer in hours and minutes. I'm going to give you an opportunity to attempt this question on your own. So I encourage you to pause the video and attempt the question on your own, and I'll see you on the other side of the pause. Okay, now that you have attempted the question on your own, let us consider the question together. Note that Tiffany had 150 minutes of recording time to begin with. She used 65 minutes, and the question is asking us how much minutes of recording time does she have left. In order to complete this question, we are going to subtract. We're going to subtract 150 and 65. So let us subtract. So we have 150, and we're going to subtract 65 from 150. So let's do that. And we are going to deal with the subtraction. We're going to deal with the subtraction column by column. Okay, so let's begin with the ones column. Notice that the numbers in the ones column are 0 and 1. So we ask, what is 0 minus 5? What is 0 minus 5? Now, 0 minus 5 is indeed a negative number, and we do not want any negative numbers in our answer. So we do not want any negative number in our answer. So we will borrow, I should say, we are going to the neighbor, and we are going to get 1. Okay, so let's go to the neighbor, which is 5, and we are going to say 5 minus 1 equals 4. Okay, so we take 1 from 5, and 1 from 5 is indeed 4, so we place 4 here, and we get the 1. Now we do not view this as 10 minus, we do not view this as 0 minus 5 anymore, but we view this as 10 minus 5. So the question now becomes, what is 10 minus 5? Now 10 minus 5 is indeed 5. So let's place that there. Okay, awesome, we're done with that column. Now we move on to the other column, and the two numbers that are in that column are 4 and 6. And we ask, what is 4 minus 6? What is 4 minus 6? Indeed, 4 minus 6 would give us a negative number, and we do not want any negative number a part of our answer. So we go to the neighbor and take 1 from the neighbor. So we go to the neighbor, which is 1, and we take 1 from 1. So 1 minus 1 equals 0. So now the neighbor has 0 and we have 1. And we view this not as 4 minus 6 anymore, but we view this as 14 minus 6. Okay, so now we have 14 minus 6. What is 14 minus 6? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Indeed, 14 minus 6 is 8. So we place 8 here. Now we place a 0 below. Now we place a 0 right here as a placeholder. And we ask the question, what is 0 minus 0? Now 0 minus 0 is indeed 0, so we place 0 here. Okay, so that's the result, or that's the answer of this subtraction problem. The answer to the subtraction problem is 85. So let's return to the previous slide. And the question states how many minutes of recording time, and the question states how many minutes of recording time does she have left on the CD? And the answer is 85 minutes. She has 85 minutes left on the CD. Okay, let's look at B. B states, express your answer in A in hours and minutes. The answer we got for A was 85. So we're going to take 85 and express it in hours and minutes. Not only in minutes, but in hours and minutes. So let's do that. So note that 1 hour, note that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Note that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And let us subtract 60 minutes from 85 minutes. Let's do that. Let us subtract 60 minutes from 85 minutes. So we are going to subtract. So we have 85 minutes minus 60 minutes. Okay, so we are going to go column by column. So we're going to start with the ones column. And in the ones column, we have the numbers 5 and 0. We have the numbers 5 and 0. And we ask, what is 5 minus 0? Indeed, 5 minus 0 is 5. So we place 5 here. Next, we go to the tens column, and the numbers that are in the tens column are 8 and 6. And we ask, what is 8 minus 6? Indeed, 8 minus 6 is 2. Thus, we place the 2 here. So 85 minus 60 is indeed 25. Okay, so now that we know that, I should say with that in mind, let us proceed. Okay, so erase. So 85 minutes. 85 minutes, therefore, equals 60 minutes. 60 minutes plus 25 minutes. Because 60 plus 25 is indeed 85. Okay, but what is 60 minutes? What is 60 minutes? 60 minutes is 1 hour. Okay, 60 minutes is 1 hour. So we have 1 hour and 25 minutes. So therefore, 85 minutes is indeed 1 hour and 25 minutes. Let's go back to the previous slide, and it says express your answer in A in hours and minutes. Well, the answer would be 1 hour and 25 minutes. Thank you.